Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new DIZO Watch 2 smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, design, what materials it is made of, what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app does it uses, and what option do we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately. The new DIZO Watch 2. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. As you can see in the box we have the watch, and you can see it's a really beautiful watch. Then underneath we have the manual that shows us how to use it. Next is the charging cable to charge our watch. Now here is the watch with its protective plastics, which we will take off, and as you can see it has the TPU black straps, which are really great with adjustable length from 150 to 215 millimeters, and you can get it on different colors like ivory white, classic black, dark green, mint green, silver gray and golden pink. It has a 258 millimeters length, 38.8 millimeters width, 12.2 millimeters thickness with a very durable glass, and it weighs around 52.5 g including the strap. It has a 1.69-inch bright full-touch screen with a premium metal frame, with a 240 by 240 resolution and a TFT LCD display. As for battery life, it can last from up to 10 days under typical usage mode, or up to 20 days on standby, with 260 mAh power battery which recharges in about 2 hours with magnetic charger. Also, this watch has a waterproof level of 5 atm. So, let's go inside and see what options and apps we have here. If you sweep down you have the notifications, which we don't have any at the moment. If you sweep right, we have options like Do Not Disturb, which you can program brightness to change how bright you want your watch to be. You can turn on and off power saving mode, flashlight if you want to turn it on, and then settings. If you sweep left you can see some of the widgets we have set up, like steps, sleep monitoring to see your sleep statistics, heart rate where you can monitor and see your statistics on your heart rate. Then we have weather where you can program your city with GPS, music to play anything you want from your phone. You also can add or cut any widgets you want to see based on your preferences. As you can see here, if we sweep up it shows the home screen with all the apps inside, like activity data, heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, sleep monitoring, workout, which this watch has 15 workout features like running, walking, cycling and sports like football, cricket, badminton and others. We also have workout records to record our workout activity. Next is alarm clock where we can set any alarm we want. Then there's weather to see our current and upcoming weather. Next, we can see stopwatch, timer, music, breath training, female health and also find my phone, which is really great. If you lose your phone this will show you where it is. And in the end, we've got settings where the first option is watch faces, where we can choose a new face for our watch based on your preferences. And as you can see, we have a variety of them to choose from. Other options are screen time, where you can choose how long do you want your screen time to be, menu style on whether you want your app style to be on a 9 grid or a list like we've got in our watch, vibration intensity, where you can choose your vibration level from 1 to 3 when you get a notification. We also have raise to wake, and one of the important ones which is language, where you can choose your language from more than 12 languages. We've got a battery to see our current battery, and to turn power saving mode if we want. There's also the QR code, the shutdown option, the reset option, and last, we have the about, where it tells the info about the watch. Now what we're going to do is test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor, and in the end, we have measures, so let's give it a try. As you can see, it takes a couple of seconds, and then it shows your current heart rate. Next, let's try the SpO2 measurement and measure our O2 levels. This also takes some time, and it shows your current state of O2 levels. I really enjoyed reviewing this watch, and it's a really great watch, so I strongly recommend it. It's really durable, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps does it uses, and what options do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.